Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the process of replacing the trigger on your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep your parts organized. Start by ensuring your vacuum cleaner is unplugged. Safety first. Next, take the Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws located on the back of the vacuum near the battery compartment. There are typically 3 screws holding the casing in place, so make sure to keep them in a safe spot. Once the screws are removed, gently lift off the back cover of the vacuum. You may need to wiggle it slightly to free it from any clips holding it in place. After removing the cover, you'll have access to the internal components. Now, locate the trigger assembly. It's usually positioned near the front of the vacuum, directly connected to the motor housing. Using your flathead screwdriver, gently pry up the trigger mechanism. Be careful not to damage any surrounding components. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any additional screws or clips that may be securing the trigger in place. Once you have successfully removed the trigger, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from inside the vacuum using a soft cloth or a compressed air canister. Regular cleaning helps maintain your Dyson's performance. Now, it's time to install the new trigger. Align it with the existing housing and press down gently until you hear a click, indicating that it's securely in place. If you don't have the tools necessary for this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get your vacuum fixed without any hassle. Next, replace the back cover of the vacuum. Line it up carefully and press down until it snaps into place. Ensure all clips are secured and that there are no gaps. Then, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them firmly but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws. After reassembling, check that the trigger operates smoothly. Press it several times to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV12 and test it to confirm that the trigger replacement was successful. If everything works smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the trigger. If your vacuum still isn't performing as expected, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs up front. And with our service, there's no calls and no travel required, we handle everything for you. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.